Alright, welcome guys. Today we're doing a trade recap. Today I short NQ. Alright, I'm just gonna go over my analysis on a hard time frame. So I give you guys an idea of what my bias was, and then I'll show you guys my executions. Alright, so first of all, starting off on the daily, I know my chart is a little messy. It will make more sense as I explain it. So starting off with the daily time frame, I know this to be here. Alright, so sell-side imbalance by certain efficiency, essentially bearish fair value gap. I want to see price come into it, and we had CPI today that acted as essentially injection of liquidity here. As you can see, it's this big candle here that sent price into that SIBI. Alright, and so that was at 8:30. After that, for the next hour, so until market opens, price just consolidated and lower half of that city, the bearish fair value gap there, and then market open. All right, we came all the way up here, retested this what was it called? Forgot the name. Rejection block. There you go. All right, so consequent encroachment of that right here. All right, you see just little mohawks here. So just candle coming in here, wicking that out, essentially closing within the CIBI actually. All right, and I saw ICT actually short here. I was open to see the CPI high getting swept. However, I didn't really want to see that because in this scenario here, that indicates a stronger bearish momentum in my opinion. All right, so the fact that you see the body staying in the upper half, or at least closing within the CIBI, right, within that imbalance on the daily time frame. Okay, so from there, market will essentially shift structure. So market structure shift right here. CIZ, whatever you want to call it. All right, so just a dump in here. Create a first presented fair value gap of the day, actually, right there. And I was able to short within this little imbalance here. So I want you guys to, I'm going to zoom out here, but I want you guys to like notice the way price reacted and bounced off that first presented fair value gap, not only during AM session here, but you see it happening during the lunch hour here, so at 12:40-ish, and again at PM session. So yeah, that's just for your personal notes. What was our targeting? So I was actually targeting this red line here, which is the, and again, I'm sorry, this is going to be a little messy, but consequent encroachment of this opening range gap right here. Okay, that was my main target here. We also had all these relative equal lows. All right, those lows before CPI were a nice target here. See price come just for that right there before bouncing back up, retesting that first presented fair value gap, and finally dumping to my target. So unfortunately, I was not able to get this full move. I did take a couple of partials as I saw price bouncing off certain PDRAs. Yeah, that was pretty much my trade, my bias, my idea. We can also notice the way price came all the way down here. So I gotta like start putting dates on these. Yeah, that was yesterday's first presented fair value app. So right here, where am I? Right here. So you see price coming for that. New daily opening gap here. Today's or yesterday's new daily opening gap, I forgot. 11. So I don't know what day that is. So that was actually today. It's actually the 12th because we're 12 today. But yeah, you see price reacting off of that. Same. All right. New daily opening gap. That's an imbalance. Notice the way the body's reacted here. There's also an SMT right there with ES, and from there, price just retraced all the way back again to the first presented fair value gap. All right, right here, nothing really interesting. I saw people on Twitter able to long here, so good for them. I was personally done for today, even though I just traded my eval today. I was pretty happy with my trade, so it was essentially pretty much the same as ICTs. I was just not able to get the short all the way on top here. So here's my execution. I'm get rid of a couple stuff here. Alright, you see my execution. I don't know if I'm able to get rid of some stuff because it's kind of messy, but essentially you can see that I first shorted for 4 micros. Yeah, micros. For micros right here, okay, first one's at the fair value right there. That's the daily CB that you see right here. All right, from there, saw price will reacting pretty nice off of that. All right, if I draw it out, you notice the weighted bodies stay in the lower half. All right, that's pretty good. That's what you want to see. I was also monitoring the way price, or at least the wicks, would react off the constant encroachment of daily CB right here. All right, that was also a key level for me that I was looking at. And yeah, from there, we'll price took out these lows here, retraced back into, well, first this order block, and that's what I shorted off of. I shorted when price came into the order block. I was open to see price coming back in the first percent the fair value gap. In that case, I would have wanted to like eventually sell one more contract, but unfortunately, this move this week here happened way too fast for me to have the time to react. It just went in there and immediately rejected it, so I really didn't have any time to trade with that. And yeah, from there, I just saw price delivering to the downside, so I think like I kind of anticipated the fact that we would come here, but once I saw the CPI gap filled, I took 2 off, as you can see right here. From there, I believe I moved my stop loss to, I think, above this order block right here, so this high essentially, so in profit. And then yeah, once price came lower here, took out this low right here and this low right here, I sold one more, or I bought one, and I should have probably like sold 2, but I was very confident in the fact that price would go for that, my initial target, which was consequent encroachment of the opening range gap right there. So yeah, I guess I got stopped out in profit though, because like I said, my stop loss was above this high here, so that's what you see here. Got out with two minis there, or micros actually, yeah. And there you go, that's pretty much it. That was my trade. It's a pretty decent trade. I'm happy. I think I had like pretty much same trade management, or at least like trade management as ICT, and obviously the same kind of entries. So that's cool. I'm happy for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And if you want to learn more, if you want to see me trade live, well, you can join my Discord. It's free. It's in bio. And yeah, take care.